Good morning, children. Today we'll discuss about digestion in ruminants. Ruminants में डाइजेशन कैसे होता है हम वो डिस्कस करेंगे. फिगर मैंने बनाया नहीं है बट आपको फिगर मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा नोट्स के साथ. बट ये डायग्राम मैंने फ्लो चार्ट बनाया आपको समझने के लिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद डाइजेशन इन ruminants. व्हाट इज ruminants? Grass eating animals, those animals who eat grass are called ruminants. For example, cow, buffalo and goat. Okay, so let's start digestion process. Generally their stomach contains 4 compartment or 4 part or 4 chamber. Ruminants, the stomach of ruminants have 4 chamber or 4 room or 4 part. First one is rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. I am repeating again beta. Their stomach have 4 chambers or 4 part: rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. Generally rumen and reticulums are connected to each other. And one more thing, grass contain a type of carbohydrates. That carbohydrates is called cellulose. What is cellulose? Cellulose is a type of carbohydrates that present in grass. And one question in your exercise, why do ruminants can digest grass but not human beings? Because cellulose present in grass, and for digesting the cellulose a certain type of bacteria is required, and that bacteria is present only in the stomach of ruminants or in the stomach of cattle. So with the presence of that bacteria, cellulose can be digested. Human does not contain that bacteria, so human cannot digest सेलुलोज. तो ये चीज़ें आप याद रखना. सेलुलोज एक टाइप का कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स है विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द स्टमक, विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द ग्रास. एंड फॉर डाइजेस्टिंग द सेलुलोज organism need a particular type of bacteria which is present in the stomach of ruminants but not in human being. That's why human cannot digest. Let's start digestion in ruminants. Grass eating animals are known as ruminants. These animals, ये animals क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट इनिशियली दे जस्ट पार्शियली च्यू द फूड. मतलब फूड को पूरी तरह से च्यूइंग नहीं करते जैसे ह्यूमन बींग्स. जस्ट च्यूइंग द पार्शियली फूड, देन ट्रांसपोर्ट दैट फूड टू द र्यूमेन. थोड़ा सा चबाने के बाद उस फूड को क्या करते हैं वो लोग? र्यूमेन में भेज देते हैं. फिर फूड जाता है र्यूमेन में. आफ्टर दैट क्या होता है? र्यूमेन में जाने के बाद उसका फर्दर डाइजेशन होता है. ग्रास ईटिंग एनिमल्स आर नोन एज ruminants. These animals quickly swallow their food after partially chewing, and after some time they will bring back that food in the mouth again for complete chewing. That process is known as rumination. What is called rumination? Bringing back the food from the rumen to the mouth for complete chewing is known as rumination. Okay. So ruminants क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट they will chew the food partially, then transport that food in the rumen and reticulum. So what will happen in rumen and reticulum? Food will be separated, means solid food will be separated and liquid food will separated, and solid food particles combined together, and that will called curd या bolus. curd और bolus बोलते हैं हम उसको. That is called curd or bolus. Curd or bolus means partial chewing food. Partial chewing food are called curd or bolus. So first they will chew the food partially, then send that food to the rumen, and in rumen and reticulum food will be separated. Solid particles will be separated as well as liquid particles. So that solid particle they will bring back again in the mouth and they will chew it completely. But before that solid food, first partial chewed food will be entered in the rumen, where certain bacteria is present, and that bacteria will break down the cellulose present in the grass. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrates, and food will be mixed with saliva. In rumen and reticulum, food will be mixed with saliva, and solid food will be separated from the liquid food, and solid particles combined together, and that is called cud or bolus. So that cud or that bolus will be bring back again from the rumen and reticulum part, or you can say that from rumen it will be bring back in the mouth again, and where completely food will be completely chewed with the help of saliva and help of teeth, and food will be mixed with saliva there, and after that food will be sent to the third chamber after bringing back again, and then food will be sent to the third chamber, that is called omesum. After completely chewing and mixing with saliva, food will be sent to the omesum, where food is further breakdown, means digestion process will be continued in the omesum. वहां पे भी थोड़ा बहुत breakdown होगा food का. After that food will be sent to the last chamber of the stomach, that is called abomesum. Digestive juices will be secreted in the abomesum, where complete digestion of food will be take part. So after complete digestion of food in the abomesum, food will be sent to the small intestine. We know that in human being we have studied absorption of food will take place from the small intestine. So similar here, but only difference is our complete digestion takes place in the small intestine, but ruminants digestion process of ruminants complete digestion take place in stomach only. So certain juices will be digestive juices will be released in the abomesum, and complete digestion of food will be takes place there, and after that food will be sent to the small intestine for absorption. So nutrients will be absorbed, and undigested food will be passed to the large intestine, and from there that food will be excreted from the body. I am repeating again, digestion in ruminants, grass eating animals are known as ruminants. Grass eating animals are known as ruminants. Their stomach have four parts: rumen, reticulum, omesum and abomesum. Ruminants first chew the food partially, then sent to the rumen, where in rumen and reticulum certain bacteria is present that will digest the cellulose. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrates present in the grass, and in their rumen and reticulum food will be mixed with saliva, and there will be separation of solids particle as well as liquid particles. Solid particles combined together form a cud or bolus. That cud will be bring back in the mouth, again mixed with saliva, and complete breakdown or complete chewing process will be take place there. Then food will be sent to the omesum, where further digestion or further breakdown of food will take place. After that food will be sent to the abomesum, where complete digestion will be take place with the help of digestive juices. After complete digestion from the abomesum, food will be sent to the small intestine, where in small intestine food will be absorbed and sent to the all parts of the body, and undigested leftover food will be sent to the large intestine. From the large intestine food will be, and undigested food will be thrown out from the body. Okay बेटा, I'm repeating in Hindi, just simple. पहले वो लोग फूड को माउथ में लेंगे, थोड़ा सा च्यूइंग करेंगे, देन सेंड कर देंगे रूमेन में. रूमेन और रेटिकुलम में उसका पार्शियल, रूमेन एंड रेटिकुलम में क्या होगा, सेलुलोज को ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे बैक्टीरिया के हेल्प से, और सॉलिड और लिक्विड को अलग कर देंगे. तो जो सॉलिड पार्टिकल रहेगा जिसको च्यूइंग की जरूरत है उसको वापस लेके आएंगे, च्यूइंग करेंगे, फिर ओमेसम में भेजेंगे जहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत ब्रेक डाउन होगा, फिर एबोमेसम में जाएगा, कंप्लीट ब्रेक डाउन होगा, उसके बाद उसमें से न्यूट्रिएंट्स ले लिया जाएगा स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में भेज करके, देन लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में जा करके रेस्ट जो वेस्ट पार्ट है उसको रिमूव कर देंगे. तो इस तरह से आपका डाइजेशन प्रोसेस है.